What's up guys, it's Flash at tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Tradenet introduction pack and the $14,000 account I use and how my experience has gone so far, so stay tuned. I get asked this a lot, is the Tradenet real or is it a scam? I recently activated my live account with Tradenet of $14,000 and I can tell you it is real. I have been growing that account and it is legitimate. So that's one of the videos I wanted to make, that it is kind of a big worry that you're concerning. Oh, is it real? Do they really give you $14,000? Yes, they do. I use it. It's real. It's growing. I keep 70% of the profits made. Again, just be aware that if you do the introduction pack, for example, it's $500. They allow you to lose up to $700 of the $14,000 and the account's closed. So bear that in mind. You cannot lose $14,000 and you're not responsible for the $700 you do lose. So that's another benefit. But my experience so far is I was on a 7-day win streak on my Tradenet account and I did not take one red trade until yesterday. I took a huge red trade. So I'm just letting you know of my update on my Tradenet account. It was going super well. It is real. It's not a scam. And that's just my feedback on the Tradenet $14,000 introduction package. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education. And I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link guys. I hope you all enjoy.